our previous class on nouns. Do you remember studying about nouns? I hope you will do a quick revision by watching our previous video. Today, we will talk about chapter number 5, One and Many. Let's go and have a look at what it's all about. One is when you have only one of something. For example, one student, one apple, one car, or one teacher. But many is when you have more than one of something. For example, 2 students, many apples, 5 flowers. So that means you have more than one. When you have one of something, we call it a singular noun. Can you say it with me? Singular noun. When we have many, that means more than one of something, we call it plural noun. Can you see it right here? Say it with me. Plural noun. Let's look at some examples from your book. Look at this picture right here. You have one apple, and here you have 2 apples. When you have one apple, it's a singular noun. When we want to make it a plural noun, we add the letter S, which makes it apples. So you have 2 apples. Let's look at the second example. One bat. That is a singular bat. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bats here. So we added an S to make it a plural noun. Go over the rest of the examples with your teacher. With the help of your teacher and your classmates, finish the exercises in your book. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment box. Bye-bye kids. See you in the next class.